so that you can follow. Okay. So I'm just going to spotlight that and I'm going to show you that this is the screen that will be available. Just give me a yes in the chat box if you can see my screen. Can you see my hand and my yellow coaster and my mat? Give me a yes in the chat box if you can see my hand and my coaster. Okay, so I've spotlighted it, but I want y'all also to keep seeing this screen because this screen is where you will be able to see how to make the knot. Okay, so this will be on. Okay, 8 cords, 100 centimeters each. We are making a single color coaster. After making the coaster, I will verbally explain how you can make double color, but we are making a single color coaster today. In inches, 40 inches, 1 cord. So 8 cords of 40 inches each. And in centimeters, we have 8 cords of 100 centimeters. Amazing. I'm also going to start cutting my cords. Let's take 2 minutes and let's everyone cut our cords. Also, this workshop is in English totally, no Hindi, Tamil, I don't know, so that is not possible as it is. But as it is, it's an English, total English workshop, okay? Even if you don't understand the language, it's fine. I think if you watch also and follow, you will understand, okay? 100 centimeters each cord, and we need total 8 pieces of cord.
सब रख दो यहीं पर करेंगे.
Now I'm going to be using a rod. You're going to use your pencil, okay? It does not matter whether you're using a rod, whether you're using a pencil, because eventually, is any rod or pencil attached to the coaster? No, right? So it does not matter. We just need a pencil or a rod just to start our project. That's it, okay? And then later we'll remove it. Yeah, we're waiting for 2 minutes, don't worry. Okay, we'll wait till 10:30. It's 10:29. We'll wait for another minute and then we'll start with our very first knot. 8 cords, 100 centimeters each. 8 cords, 40 inches each. So if you're taking in inches, 40. If you're taking in centimeter, then 100. Okay. Asmita, please put the measurement in the chat box again. 8 cords, 100 centimeters each. And I want you to fold that cord into half right in the center. Just fold the cord into half. Both the ends should meet, and on the top you will have this U because you're folding it into half. Now this cord, I want you to put it above your pencil like this. U part is on top and both the ends are towards the bottom. Put it above your pencil. Now let's pick up your pencil. Take this U part. It's on top, right? Let's get it underneath your pencil like this, under the pencil, at the bottom. Now the U is at the bottom. Let's put our fingers inside the U from the bottom again and grab both these cords and pull it out of this U. Get it out of the U part. This knot is called lark's head knot. Lark's head knot. The name is in the chat box. Lark's head knot. Now, all our 8 chords we are going to attach the same way on our pencil. All chords, same way. Yes, I'm going to attach all the chords the same way so the knot will get repeated. Okay? Whoever did not follow it now. Everyone, let's take your second chord. Fold it into half, right in the center. Fold your chord into half, right in the center. Both the ends should meet and the U part is on top. Take this chord and put it above your rod like this. Now we'll pick up our rod, take this U part and fold it and get it underneath the rod. Now the U part is at the bottom. Put your fingers inside the U from the bottom, just like this. You grab both these cords and you pull it out of the U. It's okay if your knot is loose right now. Later, I will show you how to tighten it. Just first focus on attaching the cords. We can tighten it later also, not a problem. If you've got this knot and understood this knot, give me a GI in the chat box that you've got it. Give me a GI so that I know you understood this knot. Amazing, super. Thank you so much. Let's start attaching all our remaining cords also the same way. 2 done, 6 more to go. Let's take your third cord, fold it into half right in the center. Put it above the rod like this. Then you pick up your rod, take this U part and fold it underneath your pencil. Put your fingers inside the U from the bottom, just like that. Grab both these cords and pull it out from the U. Third cord. Next cord, fold it into half right in the center, put it above the rod. Pick up your rod, fold the U from underneath. Put your fingers inside the U from the bottom. You grab both these cords and you pull it out. Fifth cord, fold it into half, put it on the rod. Pick up your rod, pick up your pencil, fold the U from underneath. Put your fingers inside the U like this. Grab both these cords and pull it out. Wow, people already done with all 8 cords. Amazing. Sixth cord. Fold it into half right in the center. Put it on the rod. Pick up your rod. Fold the U from underneath. Put your fingers inside the U from the bottom. Grab both these cords and you pull it out.
वो जो हेडफोन्स आया ना उनका है.
Seventh cord. Fold it into half, put it on the rod. Pick up your rod, fold the U from underneath. Put your fingers inside the U, grab both these cords and pull it out. Last cord, fold it into half, put it on the rod. Pick up your rod, fold the U from underneath. Put your fingers inside the U, grab both these cords and we pull it out. If you're done attaching all 8 cords, give me done in the chat box. Perfect, perfect, super. Now what are we going to do? We are going to take 2 big pieces of sellotape, not small, big, long ones, and put it on the sides of your pencil. I don't want this to keep moving. It has to be stuck and stable. So just tape it up on the sides. If you take very small ones, they will keep coming out. So take big pieces. Okay, now remember I mentioned that if your knots are loose, how can you make it tight? I'll show you later. This is how you can make it tight if it's loose. With your left hand, just hold the rod with your right or your pencil, and with your right hand, just pull two cords down like this. Pull each 2 cords down. Pull it down, pull it down, pull it down. So all your lark's head knot will tighten up. Sorry, Komal, it won't be possible to repeat. We've moved a little bit higher, okay? Since you just joined in, you missed the first knot itself. This I would suggest just watch and observe then. Okay. Awesome. Are we good to move forward? Give me thumbs ups. Perfect. Thank you so much. Okay. Now the next knot that we are learning today is called a square knot. Square knot. Now, how do we make a square knot? Before I tell you how we make a square knot, do you see we attached 8 cords over here? But each cord has 2 cords coming down at the bottom. So we actually have 16 cords at the bottom, not 8. So whatever counting we'll do number 1 to number 16. We'll not count as 8 cords, we'll count as 1 to 16 cords. Now, to make a square knot, you need a minimum of 4 cords. How many? 4. So from my left side, I'm going to take the first 4 cords. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rest all the other cords, I'm just going to push it on the side like this, as if they don't exist. Just get them out of your frame completely. I just want to see first 4 cords in view. Okay. Now let's start making a square knot. To make a square knot, we will only use these 4 cords. I'll tell you when to change your cords. Till then, don't change your cords. From these 4 cords, I'm going to take the very first cord from my left. So take your very first cord from your left and you will make a number 4 like this. Now don't make a very big number 4. If you do that, the next few steps get a little more tedious. Make small number 4. Now when you're making a number 4, are you seeing there are 3 cords underneath? Number 4 is there and there are 3 cords underneath it, right? Let's use our finger and hold in the center over here. Out of these 3 cords, take your last cord. And you get that out and you put it on top. So now it's not under, it's in the same position, but it's just above. It's not under anymore. Okay, till here? Okay, I'm going very slow with each step, so just follow me. Now this last cord that you just got out and you put it on top, na, take the end of that cord. Take the end of it. And you put that cord in this position. The last cord that you just pulled out, put it in this position like this. Okay. Now time for a little bit of story. You like stories? Okay, I'll tell you a little bit of a story. What is the story now? Now this end of the cord that we just put it like that now. Who is this cord? We are going to call this cord a person. This person wants to enter this number 4 gap over here. But do you see there are 2 cords in the middle, these 2? We are going to call these 2 cords as a bridge. So these 2 middle cords is a bridge. The person wants to basically cross the bridge and enter number 4. But how will he cross the bridge? He'll not go above. He'll go under the bridge. Do this action with me. Under the bridge. Do it. I'm not seeing anyone do it. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so we go under the bridge. For the person to go under the bridge, we'll have to pick the bridge up. So everyone pick up your bridge. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Make some space for the person. Take your person and simply slide him underneath and make him reach number 4. And you put your bridge down again. Mission successful. Your person crossed the bridge. Give me MS. Mission successful. Awesome. Perfect. Awesome. That's nice. Now the person has entered number 4. Now it's time to close the knot. How will we do that? Take your person in one hand. The person reached number 4. Take him in one hand. Awesome. Now take your first cord with which you made a number 4 in your other hand. So out of the 2 cords, we are not touching the bridge. We are just catching the other 2 cords. Other than the bridge, the remaining 2 cords is what we are holding. Now what are you going to do? You're going to start pulling these cords, but don't pull it right over here. If you pull it right over here, the next step gets difficult. While pulling these cords slowly, you will travel up. Just watch my screen first. Now see, I'm slowly pulling it, but I'm going up also. So go up. While going up, make it tighter. While going up, make it tighter. While going up, make it tighter. If you pull it right here, then it gets difficult for you to go to the top. So keep pulling it and go higher. Travel up and keep pulling. Travel up and keep pulling. Before you make it super tight, what will you do? Your bridge is there in the middle. Hold your bridge and pull it downwards. And put your thumb on it after pulling it. Then you pull your first and last cord tight and you touch your lark's head knot on the top. Okay, so this is what it looks like till here. Touch this knot to the top. Super. Now we are only halfway through. We've not finished the knot still. So again, take your first 4 cords, get them together like this again. Now we will do this entire same process again, but completely from the right side now. So we will repeat this process, but from the right side. For that, now let's take your same 4 cords, but let's take the first cord from the right and make a number 4. Same 4 cords, but first cord from the right and you make a number 4. Okay, again, hold in the center. Out of the 3 cords, take your last cord, get it out and put it on top. End of this last cord is who? End of this last cord is who? Is a person. Where does the person want to enter? Number 4. How will he enter? From under the bridge. So let's pick up the bridge, enter the person, hold the person in one hand, hold the first cord with which you made a number 4 in your other hand. Start pulling these cords together, but while traveling to the top. So slowly travel, slowly pull. Go up and pull, go up and pull, go up and pull. Before making it completely tight, pull your bridge down and you put your thumb on it. Then you tighten the first and last cord. Now this gives me 1 square knot. When you do first cord from the left, make a number 4. Then you take the first cord from the right and number 4. This gives us 1 square knot. If you got it, give me a GI in the chat box. Got it. Are on. Only square knot is getting used. Only cords will change. Which cords we are taking, that will only change, but the knot is the same. So since we've understood the knot, we are going to keep repeating this knot again and again and again till we finish our coaster. Ready? Perfect. First knot is done. Whatever is done, you push it on the side. And what will you do? Take the next 4 cards, whatever next 4 is available. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Next 4 cards. Again, we will do the same square knot with the next 4 cards. So let's start the process again. First card from the left, make a number 4. Make a small 4, not a very big one. Take your finger, hold in the center. Get your last card out and put it on top. First few knots, even if you got it, go with me so that you don't make a mistake. After a few knots, then start doing it on your own, okay? But even if you know it, still do it with me. Take your last card out and up. End of the last card is a person. Person wants to enter number 4. How? From under the bridge. So let's make some space. Pick up your bridge. Enter from underneath. Put your bridge down again. Take your person in one hand. Take your first card in your other hand. And you start pulling your cards together. Slowly, slowly travel up. Pull your cards together. Before you reach right to the top, you pull your bridge down your middle 2 cards and put your thumb on it. And you pull your cards together. Same thing from the right side now. So first card from the right and make a number 4. Same 4 cards. Hold in the center. Get your last card out. Put it on top. Pick up your bridge, your middle 2 cards. Slide the card underneath. Enter number 4. And you pull your cards together. Pull your bridge down, put your thumb on it, and you pull your cards together. This is our second knot. First knot and our second knot. 2 knots done. Let's push it on the side. What will you do now? Take your next 4. Done. 1,
जी
2,
बोलो
3 done. Put it on the side.
संगीता की
Last 4
बदतमीजी फोन
cards
नहीं
are
उठा रही मेरा
remaining. So I'll make the
संगीता
same square knot with the last 4 cards also.
जो
First
दूसरे
card
काम
from
कर
the
रही
left, make a number 4.
दूसरी वाली आते थे ना
Hold in the
वो घर में
center.
गई हुई है
Get your last card
वो भी
out.
नहीं है ना वो भी घर
Put it on top. End of the
वो
last
नहीं
card is
है
a person. He wants to enter number 4 from under the bridge. Pick up your bridge. Enter from underneath. Pull your cards together. Pull your bridge down. Put your thumb on it and pull your cards together.
अभी
Same thing on the right side. First card from the right and make a number 4.
बस ये दो वो ही
Hold
रहेगा
in the
पानी में कहीं
center.
पानी रहेगा
Get your last card out.
क्या
Put
बनाऊंगी
it on top.
सब्जी है
End of the last card is a person. He will enter number 4 from under the bridge.
है
Pick up your bridge.
और चालू बना दो
Enter from underneath. Pull your
हाँ इसी
cards
काफी है आगे
together.
डाल दो
So first row has total 4 square knots. How do I know I have 4 square knots? This is knot number 1. This is knot number 2. This is knot number 3. This is knot number 4. If you're done with all 4 square knots, give me a number 4 in the chat box that I am done with 4 square knots.
तो दाल पूरी आपने नहीं खाना खाना फिर शाम को भूख लगेगी फिर कुछ खाना तो मैगी होगी
Okay. Awesome. Super. Perfect. I'm seeing a lot of 4s. I think we're good to move forward. Amazing. Thank you. Now what are we going to do?
हाँ एक आलू डाल दो
Next row, we are going to make only 3 square knots.
ऐसे करो फिर शिमला मिर्च
First row has 4 square knots. Next row will have only 3 square knots. Where will they come?
हाँ
I want you to make square knots between first and second square knot. We'll have a square knot here. Between second and third square knot, we'll have a knot here. And between third and fourth, we'll have a square knot here. So this process is called alternating your square knot. What is it called? Alternating square knot. This is the third square knot variation that I mentioned. Now, to make alternating square knot, what are we going to do? Take 2 chords from your extreme right. So take the first 2 chords from your extreme right. And take the first 2 chords from your extreme left. These chords we are going to omit as if they don't exist. So I want you to put it on top like this. Get them out of your frame completely. I don't want to see it only. How many chords are left within the center? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 chords are left in the center. We need 4 chords to make a square knot. 4 3s are 12. So can you make 3 square knots now over here? Perfect. So let's take our first 4 chords. 2 that we've omitted, I'm out. Okay, I'll tell you when to get it back. Don't get it back right now. We'll just use the middle 12 chords. We'll use all the chords up to make a square knot. So take your first 4 chords from the left. Remaining 8 chords, just push it on the side. Let's start making our alternating square knot with these 4 chords. First chord from the left, make a number 4. Hold in the center. Get your last chord out. Put it on top. Knot is the same. Knot is not changing. End of the chord is a person. Person wants to enter number 4 from under the bridge. So pick up the bridge. Enter from underneath. Pull your chords together. Pull your bridge. Pull your chords together. Touch the above 2 square knots, okay? So go as high as possible. Don't keep a gap between your rows. Same thing on the right side. First chord from the right and make a number 4. Hold in the center. Get your last chord out. Put it on top. End of the chord is a person. Person will enter number 4 from under the bridge. Pick up your bridge. Enter from underneath. Pull your chords together. Why is this called alternating square knot? Because can you see we've made 1 square knot between these 2 square knots. We alternated it. Super. Awesome. This square knot is done. Let's push it on the side and let's take your immediate next 4 chords. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Same square knot. First chord from the left, make a number 4. Hold in the center. Get your last chord out, put it on top. End of the last chord is a person. He will enter number 4 from under the bridge. Pick up your bridge, enter from underneath, pull your chords together. Same thing on the right side. First card from the right and make a number 4. Hold in the center. Get your last card out. Put it on top. Pick up your bridge. Enter from underneath. Pull your cords together. Second square knot done. Last 4 cords available. Only last 4 are available. So we'll make the last square knot also. First cord from your right, make a number 4. Hold in the center. Get your last cord out and up. Pick up your bridge. Enter from underneath. Pull your cords together. Same thing on the right side. First cord from the right, make a number 4. Hold in the center. Last cord out, put it on top. Pick up your bridge, enter from underneath, pull your bridge down, put your thumb on it and pull your cords together. Now this next row we have made only 3 square knots. If you're done with 3 square knots, just give me a number 3 in the chat box that you're done with 3 square knots. Awesome. Okay, perfect. We are good. I think we are giving 3s in the chat box. Let's wait for a few more 3s. So then we can move forward. Okay, awesome. Now let me tell you all what the process is. Whatever cords we omitted also, now get everything back together. Get everything back. So again, we have 16 cords again. Okay. Now, do you see the first row we made 4 square knots where we used all 16 cords? Next row we made 3 square knots where we used the middle 12 cords and we omitted 2 cords from each side. Now this same pattern we are going to copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. What do I mean by that? Next row will have again 4 square knots. After that again 3 square knots. Again 4, again 3. We'll keep repeating this pattern. So whenever you're making 4 square knots, you use all the cords available. When you're making 3 square knots, you remove 2 cords from each side and use the middle 12 cords. So use 16 cords, then use middle 12 cords. Use 16 cords, use middle 12 cords. Give me a GI if we got that.
CT chahiye. Is it? CT.
Perfect. So whatever pace you all are at, start picking it up. Okay. Because we are going to repeat this entire same thing throughout the coaster. So next row, we are making 4 square knots. So yet let's use all the cords up. We are not removing anything because we want to make 4 square knots here. So again, let me take first 4 cords from the left, push the rest aside. Take the first cord from the left, make a number 4. Also, I'm going to pick up the speed a little bit, okay? Hold in the center. Get your last cord out and up. Knot is the same knot throughout the coaster. End of the cord is the person. Pick up your bridge. Enter from underneath. Pull your cords together. Same thing on the right side. First cord from the right and make a number 4. And then you hold in the center. You get your last cord out and up. End of the last cord is a person. The person will enter number 4 from under the bridge and pull your cords together. 1 square knot done. Next 4 cords. Keep taking 4 cords each. First cord from your left, make a number 4, hold in the center. Get your last cord out, put it on top. Pick up your bridge, enter from underneath.
बाहर ही तो पड़े हैं दोनों में
Enter number 4 and pull your cords together. Pull your bridge down, put your thumb and pull your cords together. Same thing on the right side. First cord from the right and make a number 4. Hold in the center. Get your last cord out. Pick up your bridge. Enter from underneath. Pull your cords together. Immediate next 4 cords. Immediate next 4 cords. Keep taking 4 cords till you use up all the cords. First cord from the left, make a number 4. Hold in the center. Get your last cord out and up. Pick up your bridge. Enter from underneath. Pull your cords together. First cord from the right and make a number 4. Hold in the center. Last cord out. Pick up your bridge. Enter from underneath. Pull your cords together. Last 4 cords available. First cord from the left, make a number 4. Hold in the center. Last cord out. Put it on top. Pick up your bridge. Enter from underneath. Pull your cords together. Same thing on the right side. First cord from the right. Make a number 4. Hold in the center. Last cord out. Pick up your bridge. Enter from underneath. And you pull your cords together. If we are done with 4 square knots, give me a number 4 in the chat box that we are done with 4 square knots so we can move forward then. Amazing. Super. Let's go with the next row. Next row, we are going to make only 3 square knots. So to make 3 square knots, what do we have to do? Remove 2 cards from each side. Omit it. They don't exist for us. Invisible. So take 2 cards from extreme right, 2 cards from extreme left, push it out, put it on top. We have 12 cards remaining in the center. With all 12 cards, we will make a square knots. Take your first 4 cards, push the rest on the side. First card from your left, make a number 4, hold in the center. Last card out and up. Pick up your bridge, enter from underneath. Pull your cards together. First card from the right, make a number 4, hold in the center. Last card out and up. Pick up your bridge, enter from underneath. Pull your cards together. Immediate next 4 cards. Immediate next 4 cards. First card from the left, make a number 4, hold in the center. Last card out, put it on top. Pick up your bridge, enter from underneath. Pull your cards together. Same thing on the right side. First card from the right, make a number 4, hold in the center. Last card out, put it on top. Pick up your bridge, enter from underneath. Pull your cards together. Immediate next 4 cards. Last 4 cards are available. First card from the left, make a number 4, hold in the center. Last card out, put it on top. Pick up your bridge, enter from underneath. Pull your cards together. First card from the right and you make a number 4, hold in the center. Last card out, pick up your bridge, enter from underneath. And you pull your cards together. 3 square knots done. Give me a number 3 in the chat box if you're done with 3 square knots. And now I'm just getting all my cords back. Even the ones I omitted, I'm getting everything back. Why am I getting it back? Because the next row I have to make 4 square knots, because of which I have to use all the cards available. Okay, very few threes. Should I wait? Should I please send more threes in the chat box so I know I can move forward. Amazing. Now let me show you how to count how many rows are done. Count with me. The first row has 4 square knots. That is row number 1. The next row has 3 square knots. That is row number 2. The next row has 4 square knots. That is row number 3. The next row has 3 square knots, which is row number 4. So how many rows we are done with? 4 rows. You count each first square knot, so you will come to know. See, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 rows are done. Total, we are going to do 9 rows. How many? 9. So 5 more to go. Okay, let's go with the next row. Next row, how many square knots you are making? Show me by your fingers. Perfect, that's nice. 4 square knots in the next row. For that, we are going to use all the cords. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rest all the other cords. Let's push it on the side. First cord from the left.